Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find the app data folder on your Windows. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, simply open up your File Explorer, and then all you have to do is simply scroll below, tap on this PC, then double click on your C drive. After that, simply find the user's folder and then click onto it. If you don't see app data, it's because it's hidden. Simply tap on this view option and then make sure hidden item is turned on. Now after that, you will be able to find app data right over here. Double click on the app data, and inside here you will see folders like local or roaming. These folders store your app settings and temporary file. There is a quicker way to open app data. On the start menu, all you have to do is simply search for run, and then in the run box, simply type in app data and then simply tap on OK. And just like that, this will directly take you to the same folder. That's it. Now you know how you can find the app data folder on Windows. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.